I thought I would give y'all different scenery today. I'm in my mom's backyard. Hope y'all can hear me over the birds singing. They're singing. They're showing up today. So today's video is just going to be about living your dreams or sticking to the promise you made to yourself or what have you. So all my life I have been creative in different ways, using different mediums or whatever you want to call it, whether it's on the computer, writing, my crafts, what have you. So I think 2 years ago, I think that was 2018, 2 years ago, was that 3 now? Yeah, whatever. I decided, it's like, you know what? I'm going to publish my first book, self-publish my first book. Because I always used to submit, like, you know how back in the day, what that mess was called? Like, you could submit to this company and try to get your stuff published. And, of course, I always got rejection letters. But, of course, this is the day and age of self-publishing. So I said, you know what? Trick it. I'm going to write a children's book. I'm going to illustrate it. And I'm going to self-publish it. Bam. How? I have not a clue. Okay? So, I've never really considered myself an artist, really. But I've always considered myself a writer. But an artist, no. But I didn't want to rely on anybody else. This was my dream. And you know how sometimes you have to, like, if you rely on somebody else for your dream to happen, you might as well go and wake up, because that bad boy is not going. 9 times out of 10 is not going to happen. Meaning that everybody don't share your same views. Everybody don't have your same goals. So they're not going to be as eager or, wanting to do it as quick as you want to do it. So it can prolong, pause your dream or what have you. So I'm like, nah, trick that. I'm going to just do it all. I don't care how it looks. It's going to get done by me. So every day I told myself, hey, you got a whole year. But before this year is over with, you're going to have the whole process down. So every day I will work on it. And I told myself I looked up, like, well, how many pages are in the children's book. I looked up, did my research. So it was like, I think it said 32 pages. I don't remember. So I got started and I finished it. Y'all, I was so impressed with myself. Okay, y'all. I was like, you really did this. So, I'm saying that just to say, y'all, if y'all have a dream or vision in your head, do not give up. Make it happen. Don't cry about it. Be like, well, so-and-so didn't help me. Help yourself. Y'all cannot stand when somebody put their stuff off on somebody else's. You are responsible for your own self. Nobody else is responsible for you. I don't give a flip if you're a child. Still figure it out. You got too many resources at your fingertips. Your phone is your everything. You can look up anything on your dang phone. How Google is your best friend. Google that mug. You know how many times in this children book process I had to Google, like, well, how do I do this? How do I format a book? How do I, every little step. I didn't have nobody before me in my family that published their own book on that level, you know what I'm saying? And I'm a perfectionist, I didn't want my stuff to look all jacked up or whatever. Now, hey, somebody else might say that mug looked jacked up, but I approved it, okay? So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I got other business. Y'all, my head is like this 24/7. So after that children book, I did do another one. And I just like challenging myself. So, but this is my first children book. I want to show you because I made it like a commercial or whatever, y'all. I don't know if I ever posted it on here. I don't think I did. But this is like the little reel of, just to show you a sample how the book looked. And then I'm going to show a picture of my first draft of the book, like a proof. So I could go and then adjust what I need to adjust before I actually publish it or whatever. But it's still on Amazon if y'all want to go purchase it. I've only got one sale. And you know, like, well, that was a flip. You know, it's not. I don't give a flip. It wasn't about me becoming rich on that project. It was about accomplishing a process and a dream that I set out for myself. So guess what? I'm a millionaire just by finishing it and getting it done, baby. And having the visual. I guess in this video I should actually have the book in my hand. It's at my house. Well, my mom do have a copy. Okay, I'm gonna go get it. Okay. But to actually have the product in my hand finished. So let me go get it. Let me go get it. Oh, y'all see, this is my first book. And then you see my face. Y'all, it took, I think I had to do 5, 6, I don't know how many drafts to get it like formatted properly and everything. It's real cute and basic. Cause like what I tell y'all, I'm not an artist. I'm really not. So I had to keep it real basic on, you know, but I wanted it cute. Booyah. So this is the actual physical book. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, whatever you have in your head, and if you can research it, you can Google it, you can make it happen and become your reality. Do not give up on yourself, guys. So enjoy the next little clips. So thank y'all for watching today's video and see you guys tomorrow.